So hello everybody. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of close and these are kind of big. So this is BI's first full album, Waterfall. I got both versions. This is the vertical one and then and then we also have a horizontal one. BI was my, I don't call him BI, I call him Hanbin. Hanbin was my icon bias until everything that went down and he left the group. But I knew that I was going to follow him regardless. I absolutely love him dearly. He is so precious to me. But yeah, this is his first solo album. And let us go ahead and unbox them. They are already unwrapped and ready to go. So let's just go ahead and get into it. everything that I got. With the albums. Let me go ahead, there we go. Yeah, I absolutely adore this album. There are, Illa Illa is probably my favorite thing that I've ever heard from him. Waterfall is really dope. So far those are the only two that I have really listened to. It's hard for me because I know he's been through a lot, but I'm excited to listen to the rest of it, and I'm just so glad to finally have these in my possession. If you have not checked out Illa Illa or Waterfall, there's a performance version of Waterfall and I absolutely love it. Anyway, if you have not checked out his solo stuff, please do. He is incredible. But that's gonna be it for me. I am going to get all of this stuff squared away, and I'm actually gonna get back to my drama. I was in the middle of watching a drama when this came on, so I'm gonna go back to it. But thank you guys so much for joining me. Please like, please subscribe. I am putting out videos frequently. I don't know when, I don't have a schedule, but I will say frequently. I have 3 things edited and ready to go. But I knew that I was going to be getting this today, so I wanted this to be Monday's video. I will see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.